And pictures. First, you must to open your computer, go to the MS Word, then start typing text. Adding clip arts and pictures to your document can be a great way to illustrate important information or add decorative accent to existing text. You can insert image from your computer or search Microsoft's extensive selection to clip arts to find the image you need. Once an image has been inserted, you can format text to wrap around the image. To locate clip arts, select the Insert tab, click the Clip Art command in the illustration group. The Clip Art option appears in the task pane to the right of the document. Enter keywords in the search for field that are related to the image you want to insert. Click the drop down arrow and the result should be selected any types of media you don't want to see. If you also want to search for clip art on Office.com, place a check mark next to the include Office.com content. Otherwise, it will just search for clip arts on your computer. Lastly, click and go. To insert clip art, review result from a clip art search. Place your computer where you want to insert the clip art. Click an image in the clip art pane. It will appear in the document. You can also click the drop down arrow next to the image in the clip art pane to view more options. To insert a picture from a file, place your insertion point where you want to image appear. Select the Insert tab. Click the Picture command in the illustration group. The Insert Picture dialog box appears. Select the desired image file, then click Insert to the Add into your document. To release an image, click and drag out of the corner sizing handles. The image will change size while keeping the same proportion. If you want to stretch in horizontally or vertically, you can use the sizing size handle. I hope that this information will guide you to explore Microsoft Words by inserting clip arts and pictures. That's all, and thank you.